Hi guys, welcome to my channel guys. I'm washing chicken. I have a whole chicken and I just cut it in two, cut it in three, and I'm washing it with vinegar and lime. This is the next side guys, and this is the other side. So I'm washing it. I already put the vinegar in the water. So I'm gonna cook chicken. So guys, cutting it up. Washing it and cutting it up, and I'm gonna season it up. All these are skins. Okay guys, so I cut it up. I'm washing it now. Now after I finish wash it guys, I'm gonna season it up. Let it soak for a while, and then I'm gonna cook. So guys, my chicken is already washed, and now I'm seasoning it. See guys? This is paprika. I use Maggi seasoning and Walker's Wood seasoning, but I have some other little seasoning that I put on it when I'm seasoning anything, and garlic powder and so on. And I like lemon pepper. But my favorite seasoning that I use is Maggi and Walker's Wood. And black pepper. So guys, I have some chopped garlic and thyme. Put it in there. Onion. Put it in there. And red sweet pepper and green sweet pepper. And a piece of Scotch bonnet pepper also. So I'm gonna rub it up. And cover it up and put it to soak for a while before I'm ready to cook it. And I put some oregano on it, guys, and some parsley. So this is seasoned now. I'm gonna cover it up and let it soak for a while. See, guys? And I like to do it in the sink because everything kept flashing. It's a lot of cleaning up. And I like to clean up as I go. So guys, my chicken are soaked. See? They are soaked, so I'm gonna fry